Ductio. The 2026 BMW M5 represents the latest evolution of one of the most iconic performance sedans in the automotive world. For decades, the M5 has stood as the benchmark for blending everyday usability with blistering performance. And the 2026 model pushes this reputation even further. BMW has reimagined the M5 with a mix of cutting-edge electrification, sharper styling, and advanced driver-focused technology. This is the first M5 to feature a plug-in hybrid powertrain, combining the raw power of a twin-turbocharged V8 engine with electric assistance for instant torque delivery and improved efficiency. While the move toward electrification is a significant change for purists, BMW promises that the core essence of the M5, its thrilling acceleration, precise handling, and refined comfort, remains intact. The 2026 M5 is more than just a fast sedan. It is a statement of modern engineering. It merges luxury, innovation, and sustainability without compromising the performance DNA that has made the M5 legendary. Whether you are cruising on the highway or attacking a mountain road, the new M5 delivers an experience that is both exhilarating and composed. Exterior design. The exterior of the 2026 BMW M5 is a bold evolution of BMW's latest design philosophy, fusing aggression with elegance. At first glance, it is clear that this is not an ordinary 5 Series. The front fascia is dominated by a redesigned kidney grille that is slightly larger but more harmoniously integrated than in previous BMW models. The grille features active air flaps that open and close depending on cooling needs, optimizing aerodynamics. Flanking the grille are sleek adaptive LED headlights with optional laser light technology, offering sharper illumination and a distinctive signature look at night. The hood is sculpted with subtle power bulges, hinting at the monstrous performance lying underneath. Air intakes in the front bumper are functional, channeling air to cool the brakes and engine components. The side profile reveals a muscular stance, with widened fenders that accommodate larger wheels, up to 21 inches in diameter, wrapped in high-performance tires. Aerodynamic side mirrors, blacked-out trim, and the signature M-side gills add to its sporty personality. At the rear, a subtle lip spoiler and an aggressive diffuser house a quad exhaust setup, a hallmark of M performance models. Slim LED taillights extend into the trunk lid, emphasizing width and stability. The design is not only about aesthetics. BMW has fine-tuned the aerodynamics to reduce drag and increase downforce, making the M5 more stable at high speeds. Customers can choose from an array of exclusive M colors, including matte finishes and individual customization options. Performance. Performance has always been the heart of the M5, and the 2026 model takes a significant leap forward by introducing electrification without losing its edge. Under the hood lies a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a high-output electric motor. Combined, they produce a jaw-dropping 735 horsepower and over 1,000 Nm of torque. Power is sent to all 4 wheels via BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, which can be switched to a rear-wheel drive bias for more traditional M-car dynamics. The plug-in hybrid system is not just about efficiency. The electric motor delivers instant torque from a standstill, allowing the M5 to rocket from 0 to 60 mph in approximately 3.00 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 155 mph, but opting for the M driver's package raises it to 190 mph. The 8-speed M Steptronic automatic transmission has been refined for quicker shifts, and paddle shifters allow for full manual control when desired. BMW has equipped the 2026 M5 with adaptive M suspension, featuring electronically controlled dampers that adjust to driving conditions in real time. The system works in harmony with a newly tuned chassis, offering razor-sharp handling while maintaining comfort for daily driving. The M5 also features upgraded M-carbon ceramic brakes, providing exceptional stopping power and resistance to fade even during intense track sessions. The hybrid system allows for a pure electric driving mode, ideal for short commutes or city driving, with an estimated range of around 25 miles. Regenerative braking helps recharge the battery during deceleration, improving efficiency without sacrificing performance. The driving experience is further enhanced by selectable drive modes, from comfort for relaxed cruising to track for maximum performance. Interior inside, the 2026 BMW M5 blends luxurious craftsmanship with advanced technology. The cabin is driver-focused, featuring a new curved display that integrates a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central infotainment touchscreen under a single piece of glass. The latest iDrive 9 system offers intuitive control through touch, voice commands, and the signature iDrive rotary controller. Graphics are crisp, and features like augmented reality navigation and over-the-air updates keep the system future-ready. The seats are bespoke M multifunction sport seats, upholstered in merino leather with contrast stitching and illuminated M logos. They provide excellent lateral support during spirited driving while remaining comfortable for long journeys. Heating, ventilation, and massage functions are available, ensuring luxury matches performance. The rear seats offer generous legroom and comfort, making the M5 practical for family use as well. Carbon fiber trim, aluminum accents, and ambient lighting give the cabin a high-performance atmosphere. The flat-bottom M steering wheel features customizable M1 and M2 buttons, allowing drivers to instantly switch between preset driving configurations. A head-up display projects essential information directly into the driver's line of sight, and the available Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system transforms the interior into a premium audio experience. Practicality has not been sacrificed. The trunk offers ample space for luggage, and clever storage compartments keep the cabin organized. The plug-in hybrid system's battery is positioned to minimize intrusion into cargo space, maintaining the M5's usability, price, and availability. The 2026 BMW M5 is positioned as a flagship performance sedan, and its pricing reflects its advanced technology and capabilities. The starting price is expected to be around $130,000 in the United States, with higher trims and customization options easily pushing the cost beyond $150,000. Optional extras such as M-carbon ceramic brakes, premium paint finishes, and advanced driver assistance packages can add significantly to the price. The M5 will be available in major global markets, including North America, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East.